OOPZILLA. Okay, let's go ahead and start with this guy. Reduce him down. X times x, which is x squared, plus 1. So that'll give me this guy back again. He can't reduce down any further. So I'm going to be left with these two guys. So I'm going to do a ghost dollar on the top one. Okay, plus 19, x plus 21. I'm sorry, 28. Now, pull my ghost dollar symbol out. B sub 1, B sub 2. This is going to be equal to a 28 on the outside, which is 7 times 4. And inside I'm going to have 19. This guy's going to break down and be 3 times 1. Okay, so the 3 times 1 pops out. Put a 4 up here and a 7 down here. Let's just go ahead and rearrange all this stuff. Okay, and that's like that, and the 1 here and the 7 in the back. So now I have 1 times 3, which is 3, 7 times 4, which is 28, and now 12 plus 7 is 19. Okay, so everything worked out. Now B sub 1, C, B sub 2, A. Now B sub 1 is going to be 7 times 1. B sub 2 is going to be 3 times 4. These heads go together, the back heads go together. These front heads go together. It's hard to make these heads, and the receiver comes around. Now I'm dealing with x, so I'm going to multiply these guys right here by x. Circle, and then circle this guy. So through zero crossing, that's what I just did. This is called zero crossing, something I created. It's going to be 3x plus 7 times x plus 4, I believe. Yes. Let me check my notes. Yes. So the top becomes 3x plus 7, and the bottom one is x plus 4. Okay. Now let's work the bottom one out. Then we can start eliminating stuff, and we'll be nearly done. Okay, so the bottom right here is going to be, this is going to be x to second 5x plus 4. Now with that said, this is going to be b sub 1, b sub 2. 5 goes inside, equals to a 4 out here, and this 4 is just basically going to stay as 4 times 1. And there's an invisible 1, a set of invisible 1s right here, like that. Okay, no big deal. Now, let's pull those 1s down. Who cares? It doesn't really hurt anything right now. Now let's go ahead and put the 4s in. So it's going to be 4 and a 1. Straighten everything up. And it's going to just be 1 and 1. Now, this time this, I'll get my 1. This time this, I'll get my 4. B sub 1 plus B sub 2 is a 5. So B sub 1, C, B sub 2, A, equal. Well, B sub 1 is going to be 1 times 1. B sub 2 is going to be 1 times 4. And you see, these front heads go together. That's going to be a 1. These back heads go together right here to give me a 4. The front heads go together, and the receiver comes around to give me a 1, actually. This receiver around. Okay, so it's, well, anyway, it's like that. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply this times x through zero crossing. I'm going to get x plus 1 times x plus 4. And I can put that up here. Let me check my notes. Yes, x plus 1 times x plus 4. Now let's start cleaning. Let me start cleaning up some of this stuff here. Okay, so now I can cancel out this guy and this guy. And what else can cancel? This guy and this guy. And can anything else? Let me check my notes. Looks like that's as far as I can go. So let me clean this up a little bit. I'm going to have the x that remained times 3x plus 7. And then the bottom is going to be 2x plus 3, like that. Now restrictions are going to be that x cannot be equal to a -1. X cannot be equal to a -4. And I think that's basically what I set this up for. And also, if you look over here, even though it may not say it in the book, I'm going to add another one too. I'm going to say if you set this guy right here equal to 0, you're going to get the 3 to move across the equal sign, become a negative. 2x over here, divide by 2. You're going to have x not being able to be equal to -3 over 2. They may not say it in the book, but I'm telling you, if you put in -3 over 2 for this problem right here, you will cause it to destroy itself. OOPZILLA.